everything in it that's nice. And when you think of beauty spots, Grenada really has a lot. You can visit the Grenadians, have bathing picnics and romance. You can relax on the sand and get a beautiful suntan. We are from Grenada, if you please. The Spice Island.
Today, we celebrate your strength, resilience, and rich heritage. Our nation continue
to shine with unity,
progress,
prosperity.
We wish you all Grenadians.
All Grenadians.
Grenadians everywhere.
And proud Independence Day.
Happy Independence, Grenada. God bless you now and always.
Happy Independence, family, from Colleen.
Happy Independence, Grenada.
Happy Independence, Grenada.
Happy Independence, Grenada.
Happy Independence, Grenada. May God continue to bless you as you keep moving on.
Hashtag Happy Independence, Grenada.
May God bless you. Sending out a big beat of love to all the Grenadian family back home.
Blessings to the good people of Grenada from the people of Barbados.
Greetings to all Grenadians on the 51st anniversary of our independence. This is coming from the Grenadian diaspora in Barbados.
#One Caribbean.
Wishing you joy, unity, and endless blessing. Happy Independence Day, Grenada.
Grenada, the island of spice, has everything in it that's nice. And when you think of beauty spots, Grenada really has a lot. You can visit the Grenadians, have bathing picnics and romance.
Yeah, that song was written back in 1962-63, somewhere there so, for the guides who were going to Trinidad to celebrate Trinidad's anniversary. I think it must have been the 50th or some anniversary, and we had a camp, and it was there. We had a contingent from Grenada, and they wrote that song for us to sing.
Who wrote the song?
I don't remember, but it's a local Grenadian guy
that wrote the song. And what's the name of the song?
We are from Grenada, if you please.
Oh, that's it?
Balance.
Oh, okay. Were you familiar with the song?
No.
Oh, are you Grenadian?
Yes.
Oh, where are you from?
What are you going and doing this thing though?
It's always difficult to answer. Right, I went to school in St. George's at PBC. I live in Woburn. Right, I taught in Springs.
What's your name?
Willard Mariah. And my father had a business in Mount Carmel.
Okay, nice.
And you marry a Bajan.
Maria Bajan.
So he came to live in Barbados.
I come to study in Barbados.
I met a Bajan. And then he was working then with CIBC. And he was ended up being a manager of one of the branches, Spikestown. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
so you're proud to celebrate 51 years of independence?
Yes,
absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
As we observe our 51st anniversary of independence, I continue to look to Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique as they shine with unity in the region. May God continue to bless our nations.
Thank you.